Hi, Dean Jenkins with FollowMeTrades.com, and we're getting ready to kick off the next Master Trader Bootcamp training series. It's a 6-week program where Eva's going to join me this time, and we're going to teach you everything that we use in our trading, and we have been using for several years and getting good success. This next session kicks off in a couple days, Wednesday, February 23rd, 2022. Just a couple days from now. I wanted to show you a couple of the trades we've taken recently and how we apply what we're going to teach you in real trading. Check it out. So here's a snapshot of our current open trades. The oldest trades we opened on February 1st, a couple we just opened recently on February 17th. But let's just look at the P&L. I'm going to use the options. Options are the way to trade these directional trades. But let me just take the current P&L, throw them on a spreadsheet real quick. And there's, the current snapshot P&L. Let's do a quick sum of those, and you can see we're in $2,680 of profit in about 15 trading days. Now, of course, not every trade is winning, but hopefully you can see here just in these numbers, the winners on average are much bigger than the losers, and that's the key to successful trading. We're up $2,680 based on the account size of $50,000. So for 15 days of trading, that's about a 5% gain, just over that for that time period. So let's look at a couple of these trades. A long trade, BCRX. It's a biotech kind of company. We took our entry at this light blue line here on February 1st, and you can see it went pretty much straight up. We took profit, pulled back a little bit, we took profit again, and now it's in our above our target, which was this green line. It's pulled back a little bit, and we've trailed our stop. So even if it goes down and hits the stop, we're going to have a really, really nice winner. But it's got the potential to continue on up into a Fibonacci Wave 5 target zone, and we're going to stick with it. And you can see the shares again. The shares are in 21% profit. The options are in 127% profit. So that's a really, really nice trade. Let's look at a short trade, one to the downside, ITW, Illinois Tool Works. Whoever heard of Illinois Tool Works, right? But we found it with the scanning techniques that we were going to teach. So we took our entry here at this blue line, and it was really nice. It dropped like a rock. We took profit. It pulled up a little bit, went down. We took profit again. We moved our stop. Our stop is below our entry on a short trade. So even if it reverses and hits it, we got a winner. And this one's really nice, and it's continuing down. We're going to stay with it and see how much profit we can get. But currently, 4.8% profit on the shares and 113% profit on the options. And again, the options are a great way to trade these directional trades, and we teach you how to do that, how to pick the right contract, how to manage an option trade for high return, low risk. And as a bonus in this series of master trading, we're going to I'm going to give my new day trading course. So there's some specific things for day trading, and let me show you a day trade that we highlighted and that I took from the trading room late last week as the market headed down. Found a really nice trade setup this morning in the trading room, and I thought I'd share with you. So here's what I said at 7:30 this morning in the trading room. Well, here's an interesting intraday setup on the SPY S&P 500 ETF. So at the open, we had this big move down. It's impulsive, and I've drawn retracement lines, and you can see where my cursor's at. High probability it's going to retrace up into that area and then turn and go on to new lows. And that's what I'm going to be watching for. After the retracement, look for it to turn back down and then try to catch that next short on to new lows. Well, here we are just about 4 hours later, and man, it played out perfectly. As you can see, moved up a retracement into these blue lines, Fibonacci retracement zone, and then started down. And guess what? Put in new lows, and that looks like it's going to get to a Fibonacci extension low area. In fact, it's already in it. And so I went ahead and initiated that trade, and it's a nice winner. And no magic, no crystal ball here. It's just the power of understanding patterns and how to analyze them, and the tools to use. But it's really cool when it plays out in a textbook way like this. And when you see the pattern, quite often it does. And there's the culmination of that day trade on the SPY. Not only did it just get into the target zone, it blew through the target zone, and that's a win. If you set a target and it goes beyond that, that's win. And here you can see by the close that day, it was well beyond the target. So that ended up being a super nice short, and the sign to enter that was here. Remember I said impulsive move, retracement, looking for another move down, and it happened. It doesn't always happen, but the probability is if it's following an established pattern that you understand, you got a real edge in the market. And this one worked out into a really, really nice day trade. This is a 10-minute chart, and again, we teach in the day trading course how to use these techniques and how to the specifics for day trading. So that was a really nice trade. So again, the course is starting in just a couple days. Going to kick off on Wednesday, February 23rd, 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern. 6 weeks of training. The complete trading plan, the trade setups, all the theory behind it. There's no software to buy. All the indicators you need are included on legitimate charting platforms. And we teach you the trade setups, how to use the indicators, how to configure them, trade management, risk management, how to trade with options in a really, really safe, high leveraged way, and a bonus of day trading. So really hope to have you be a part of this if you think it would be a good fit. All right, thanks.